Welcome to this demonstration on the UBT880 Panaboard. We will be showcasing Panasonic's touch-sensitive interactive whiteboard and show how it can enhance teaching and learning experiences. So let's take a look at the system. At the heart of the Panasonic Elite Panaboard system is an interactive whiteboard that unleashes creative learning for a range of learners. The board features a touch-sensitive surface which is used to control computer-generated output. This output is generated from a computer via a projector. The board can then be used to control this output by using an electronic pen or fingers. This board can recognize 3 different finger inputs at the same time, so up to 3 people can work together. The UBT880 Panaboard can be mounted on a manual height adjustable stand to allow you or even a child to set the board at the right height for comfortable operation. By using Windows 7 multi-touch operation, you'll also be able to grab a picture and enlarge and rotate the image exactly as if using a smartphone. The board surface is also a unique feature. This surface is very strong and highly resistant to scratches and marking. To add sound to images, integrated stereo speakers can be easily used, allowing music to be played as well as other sounds. You can also plug in any other device directly into the board's 2 USB ports. So let's look at the tools that are available to use on the board. All of these tools can be used at any time by pressing this tab on the edge of the screen. This brings up a toolbar menu where you can have access to a range of useful functions. We will start by selecting the whiteboard tool. You can choose one of the markers, select the thickness and type of drawing line and simply write on the board. The settings of each marker can be changed just by clicking on the settings button. At any time you can erase a part of the drawing or the entire page just by selecting the eraser or the All Clear button. The UBT880 Panaboard also includes the ingenious shape and word recognition functions. If you click on shape recognition and draw a circle, it will automatically change the drawing into a perfect circle. The word recognition button will convert handwritten text into text data. There's also easy access to a keyboard in order to directly add information on a file without touching your PC. This allows you to focus on one area and not distract from the learning process in the classroom. Small characters are sometimes not visible for people in the back of the room to see. Simply press the magnifier button and everyone can see even the most minute of details. On many occasions, presenters need to highlight specific points in order to attract an audience's attention. The UBT880 offers 2 options. Use the spotlight to only show a part of the board, or the mask to slowly reveal the content. After a session of taking notes and collecting ideas, it is simple to capture and share them. All the actions that you make on the board can be recorded to an AVI file just by launching the recorder function. In addition, a snapshot of the screen can be captured and saved to a file or sent directly to a printer. As well as controlling the UBT880 Panaboard with your fingers, a second option is supplied, the electronic pen. There are 7 different colours and an eraser available just by turning the pen selector, offering a range of tools to be used on the board. At any time and any place, you can simply access a dedicated menu for the pen. The pen also allows you to move through PowerPoint pages from a distance by using the remote control button. Bundled with the UBT880 Panaboard is a software suite designed for creating and delivering engaging lessons and resources. EasyTeach is specifically designed to offer a complete whole class teaching and learning experience that is interactive and above all fun to use. As you can see, the EasyTeach menu bar is really intuitive and designed to make the functionality you need easy to find even for a child. To show how easy the EasyTeach software is to use, we'll create a lesson from scratch. First, we'll use the media bank that comprises more than 4,700 resources, including over 70 videos. We can select geography, choose an African map, and add some short text. There are a number of other useful tools that can be used, so let's create another lesson, this time on music. First, we'll open a new page so we can complete a lesson in one single file. We can start by adding a picture into our first page. We'll be looking at the composer Gustav Holst, so first we'll add a picture and write his name underneath. Each object can also have one action assigned to it, which becomes live in play mode. Available actions include linking to websites and turning on effects. Therefore, we'll add an action to this picture, hiding the text until the picture's clicked, to see if anyone can guess the name of the composer. Now we'll add two more pictures. Holst is famous for composing the Planet Suite, but is also known for other works. So we'll add a picture of some planets and then import a picture of St. Paul's School, where he composed one of his works called the St. Paul's Suite. We can now add an action to the first picture. This will link to a website, in this case the Wikipedia entry for the Planet Suite. The second action will link to an MP3 file, which will play a part of the St. Paul's Suite to show an example of this piece of music. So let's run this page. EasyTeach also offers a range of widgets. These are accessed via a widget bank menu from which you can choose from a range of mini applications such as a calculator, clock, random item generator and many more. There are currently more than 20 widgets available, with more to come. As this is a music lesson, we can add a keyboard with the task for students to play this using the interactive features of the UBT880 Panaboard. To help create lessons quickly, a scrapbook is available, which can be used as an object transfer facility. Users can add any object from their page to the scrapbook and transfer it to another page or document, or even store it as a My Scrapbook file for later use. Finally, EasyTeach Glass Mode provides an annotation layer over the top of an application for demonstrating how different programs work. In addition, areas of the screen or the whole screen can be captured to add to an EasyTeach lesson. In this instance, pictures are captured from a website directly onto an EasyTeach page. To find out more about EasyTeach, please visit their website at www.easyteach.com. Panasonic also offers a range of classroom devices including infrared wireless microphone systems, high-definition visual communication systems for distance learning, alongside third-party products such as interactive tablets and voting systems. All these solutions can be presented to you by our authorised dealers or by your local Panasonic representative, so please do not hesitate to contact Panasonic for more details.